Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and my channel is mostly all about crochet. I do like to do a little bit of other things, crafts and stuff here and there, but I'm all about the crochet. Okay, so let's go ahead and just dig right in and see what I have today. I might as well start with what I'm wearing. This is the newest cardigan that I have just put out. I do have a free tutorial and in the description box below, and I'll probably put a little tag up here or there, wherever YouTube puts it. I will put a little link that you can click on, and it will take you to the PDF version, but I'll also try to put one where it takes you to the free tutorial. Well, this is the granny, the Easy Beginner Granny cardigan, and I love this so much. This one right here is the first one that I made, and I love this. Oh my gosh, I just love the way these feels. I just can't get enough of this. And this one, the first one that I made was with this Premier Luna, and from what I understand, this one is discontinued. Sorry guys, but I heard it's discontinued. But that one is Premier Luna, and it's so soft. I love this. 273 yards. It's 100% anti-peeling acrylic. That was very nice. I love that. This one that I did the tutorial on is this one right here. And that one is done with this Burnett Softy Cotton right here. I got this at Joann's, is where I happened to purchase mine. But obviously, I'm sure, you know, Yarn Inspirations probably has it. But I did get this on sale for like $2.99. So I did use 3 full skeins, and then I did get into a 4th one. But it's still quite a bit of yarn in there. And this one is 254 yards. It is 60% cotton and 40% acrylic, and it is a 3 light. Now this yarn I believe was clearance, $2.99. It's regular $5.99. And they do have some more colors, and I think this may be part of their fall collection, because they do have some more colors that are looks probably more like spring and summer colors. And they're still $5.99. But all of these 2 rows right here are all this right here, except for this right there, except for that one. But the rest of these are all part of this collection right here, and they were all $2.99 each. And this one right here, it's not in the stack because I'm wearing it. Okay, so I went ahead and made me another one. I love this so much, I can't get enough of it. I just love the way it fits, and it just flows. And when I bought this yarn right here, this is it right here. The color on this one is Seaside Blue. It's like a navy blue. And see, it took 3 of this, and then I did get into the 4th right here. And here it is. When I bought this, I bought it to match this blue. And boy, did I get lucky, because, you know, this is online, this was online, being a day apart. And that was the first thing when I got them out of the box is, please let the blues match. And I think they did perfect. Look at that. But yes, I love this. And here's the back side right here. Yeah. If you would like to make one of these, you can just click on the link. All right, so moving on. Let's see what else I have. The other thing is I'm pretty excited about is I did get my Mary Maxim Afghan kit in. I love getting this Mary Maxim Afghan kit. It comes every 3 months. Got an email in May letting me know that it was going to be delayed, and so it finally came in June. So I don't care when it comes. I love it. So, you know, if they had some issues with their, you know, getting it out on time, I don't care. Because when it gets here, I know I'm going to like it. Well, this was this quarter, I guess you could say. And it came like this right here. Look at this. Oh gosh, you guys know I'm so excited. The yarn that is in here is probably discontinued. I'm not sure about the colors, but I know that the green that I did Bagel Days cardigan with, that green is discontinued. But this is the Low Tide. It is the same as that green, except I don't know if these colors are discontinued. But let's see what we have here. And they come in this nice little bag that you can keep your project in. Ooh, and they even show an alternate color combination. So here's your combination right there. There's the pattern. It's called a pretty throw. And then there's your alternate. Isn't that pretty? I really like that. All right, so Low Tide. Low Tide is a chain spun yarn. And I was first introduced to this by Crystal from Bagel Day. Thank you, Crystal, for bringing us all the different types of yarns that you introduced to us. It really helps us a lot. And I'm just one of many that would like to say thank you. Anyway, so I'm so glad that you introduced this one because I like it. Now, like I said, the green that she did have in that video is discontinued now. But I think they may still carry this. I'm just not sure what colors. This color may be discontinued that happens to be in this package, because a lot of times, guys, you know, when you buy these kits, they always send you their discontinued yarns. That's how they can afford to give you the kits that they do and still make money, because, you know, they got to make money too. What's the use of selling something and paying for the shipping and paying for someone to pack it all together and do all that kind of stuff and they not make any money, you know? I mean, I would want to make money if I was a company, or even if I wasn't a company and I was putting together some kits and selling them. I mean, what good is that if you don't make any money? So I totally understand when they use discontinued yarns. I know sometimes it's aggravating whenever it happens to be one that you just really like and you're like, oh man, I love that pattern, I love that yarn, you know, and then it's discontinued, but then you're like, oh, I want to make another one. You know, but I totally understand their side of it. I really do. And I mean, I respect that. And I go into it knowing that the yarn that I'll probably get from most any yarn kits will probably have discontinued yarn in it. Anyway, so this is Low Tide. And this is the color of this one. So you can see the chain spun right there. Look at that, guys. And this is such some soft yarn. Oh my gosh. It's called Jetty on this one. Jetty. Here you go. It's called Jetty. Jetty. And like I said, it's Line Brand Low Tide. 81% acrylic and 19% polyester. 306 yards. It's a medium 4-weight yarn. So you get, let's see, you get one of this color right here. And then you get 4 of this color right there. And this color happens to be driftwood. And then you get 3 of this blue. Let's just take a look at the blue. This is a pretty blue. I love this blue. And this one is called Waves. Yes, I like it. I'm always so excited over their Afghan kits, guys. And there's the colors together. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. I'm so excited. Okay. The kits, they are $29.99. And you get one every 3 months. I don't know if you saw my video. They sent me, my very first kit happened to be black yarn. The whole thing was black. And I was like, there is no way I'm making a black Afghan. For one thing, you can barely even see the pattern because the pattern is all black. So it's hard to see, you know, what is what. Well, I took that black yarn and I took every bit of it. And I made a poncho. I made a sweater, a winter sweater. I made a hat. I made a scarf. I made some gloves. It was my first time making gloves, by the way. It was really cool. Did I make anything else? That's a lot, isn't it? Anyway, I just took the entire kit and I made all that stuff for 30 bucks. All right, the other one that I received, because this is only my third kit, this kit right here. And I love this too. I just haven't had time to make it. But I love the yarn that came with it. It's called their Spring Thaw. And that's it right there. And it came with like all this green. And I love this. It's just a Mary Maxim basic yarn here. But I'm sure when you wash this up that it's soft. But yeah, see? You get white. Well, I was pretty excited to see that it was green because I don't have any green. But yeah, so this one came in. You get a reusable bag right here. And you get all that yarn. 30 bucks for all that. $30, I got all this right here. Plus the pattern. And then you get the little sealable bag. Anyway, if you're interested and you'd like to take a chance on seeing what types of yarn that you get, what kind of pattern, Afghan pattern you get, 30 bucks. Every 3 months is all it takes. But this is my favorite yarn kit that I get so far. I'm enjoying it because the way I see it, the yarn is usually always something that I like. So far in the last 3 months, my reviews on it are very positive. They may change eventually, but as of right now, they are still positive on it. I really don't mind if the yarn is discontinued or not. Whether this one is, I don't know, but I just know the green one is. And I'm okay with that as long as they give me enough yarn to make this. It's almost like probably paying like $4 a piece for these. I don't know. This may be a free pattern. It may be a paid pattern. I don't know. But I'm happy with it. All right. So if you guys have not tried out Mary Maxim's quarterly Afghan kit for 30 bucks, and you like the 3 kits, well, I don't have my black in here. It's all in my bedroom in there. But if you like that, go try it out. All right, the last thing I want to show you guys is something that I've had so much requests. And the reason I haven't really started on it is it's a lot of work, put it that way. And I'm just not sure if I'd go through all the work that it's going to take between putting it together and then turning around and doing it again to make a tutorial. I'm a little hesitant on making this thing because it's one of those things that is not everybody's cup of tea type thing. But anyway, it's my link doll. I get a lot of requests. People want to know, where are you getting him? I want him. Can you make him for us? Can you do a tutorial on him? And so I'm going to go ahead and I guess go ahead and try to do a tutorial on him. Because of that, for all of you that have grandkids and sons, and some of you are just like me, you love Link. He is from The Legend of Zelda. This little character, he's the main character, and he is not only my favorite, but he is my daughter's favorite. He is my sister Tanya's favorite, and we just love this little guy. I dressed up, matter of fact, when I was working at the hospital, I actually crocheted and sewed together my own Link outfit, and I won first place in the hospital. But I wore the brown boots, the white pantyhose, I wore the green, I made the green tunic. You'll see. Yes, I bought green yarn at Walmart, and I made the green tunic. Except I actually made I crocheted some little bands to go around here. I crocheted me a belt, and I think I might have just Velcroed it. I can't remember now, but and then I took some green yarn fabric and made the green hat. Oh yeah, there's some little X's on there. Oh, and that's his little rupee bag right there that keeps his little rubies in. But yeah, I actually won first place in that thing. So okay, so I will get this together for you guys, and like I said, it's probably a very limited audience, and so I've been very hesitant about making it, but I seem to be getting so many requests. Everyone's wanting to know. And so I'm going to just break down and go ahead and do it. So look forward to that coming soon. Okay, so now let's do our 365 days of prayer. I hope everyone's having a great Monday, by the way. Mine, I mean, it's pretty early, but it's starting off pretty good. It says, honored. If anyone does not provide for his own, and especially for those of his household, he has denied the faith and is worse than an unbeliever. That's 1 Timothy 5:8. God, the way you provide for your children is awesome. You are so specifically attentive to each of who calls you Father. Nothing slips through the cracks. In my own life, I rarely succeed in giving proper attention to all the responsibilities you've entrusted in me. Inevitably, I get distracted or wrapped up in myself, and I need forgiveness from others and from you. Yet again, Lord, plant in me a fresh commitment to my commitments. May the people you've given me to love and the things you have given me to do take precedence over every temptation and every distraction. It says, who or what is distracting you from what God wants you to do? So that's a very nice one. I like that one. And I think that they will help us on our journey. So yeah, that's all that I have for this video. I was so excited to make this because I love showing this off. I really did want to share the news on link for all of you Legend of Zelda fans. And I was super excited to show you my Mary Maxim kit because I was so excited when this came in. And I opened it up and I was just like practically screaming out with happiness that the pattern was actually a nice pattern and that I loved the yarn that came with it. So anyway, that's all that I have for this video. And oh yeah, tomorrow's video, be sure and watch for it because I have made something over the weekend that I am super excited about and I cannot wait to share with you guys. So I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.